Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if you have accidentally deleted an user account in Windows 11 and want to restore it. So let's get started. Now the deleting process is quite straightforward and easy, but the recovery process is quite tedious. Let's see the solutions to recover the account. We have here first solution. In this case, you can use the system restore feature, which is a built-in system feature for Windows users. You have to simply click on the search icon present on the taskbar, or you can open the start menu and simply type system restore, and from search results select create a restore point, then click open. In the system properties window, make sure that the protection settings are on for your system root drive, that is the C drive where Windows is installed. If the protection is turned on for your drive, you can simply click on the system restore button here and then click next in this window. At this window, you can manually select a system restore point when your user account was present, and once you select that, click on the next button, and in the confirm your restore point window, simply click on the finish button. After clicking the finish, Windows will try to restore to the restore point and hence undo the action of deleting the user account. So this was fix 1, and in case if you do not have the system restore points created before, then you can try our solution number 2. So in this case, you can try registry to restore back your deleted user account. Simply right click on the start button and select run in run window, type regedit and click OK. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the registry editor window opens, go to H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, profile list. When you expand the profile list, you need to carefully locate the entries for the user account. You may have multiple entries for the same user account. So here we have registry sub keys ending with 1001, and there are two entries, one with 1001 and one ending with 1001.bak. Go to the right pane of this entry and make sure that the profile image path registry expandable string has the value data exactly same as the user account folder profile name you want to restore. All you need to do is simply right click on the entry without having .bak extension, and once you delete that entry, after deleting the entry, you should see something like this. You should have only entry without .bak extension. And finally, make sure that the state registry d word at this registry location is having value data set to 0. Once you do these changes, you should be able to restore back your deleted user account. In case if you have any question about these methods, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.